Where them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Being abroad, want go home? Can't go home. Just sees Janos, you have the plans, you need to fix up your house, you need to purchase stuff for your house. Oh my world, oh my precious. Well, my viewers and subscribers, no need to worry, cause Pure Property Decor is right here, my people. Anywhere you are in the world, whether Jamaica, anywhere in the Caribbean, in the States, in Canada, England, anywhere you are, my people, it's simple. All you're going to do is click on the link in the description and go right over there to their website, my people, and you can get all the necessary things to get your house together. I'm talking about furniture, appliances, anything you need, people. So if your house is finished, people, and you have nothing inside of it, people, no need to worry if you can't travel. They have a website, my people, and they have a lot of different packages over there. So all you need to do, my viewers and subscribers, just please check below in the description. It's simple, it's easy, it's fast, and they reach right to you quick. Bless up my people. Big up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, man, the one and only attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So yesterday now, my people, that are Monday, you understand, the 6th of September 2021. A very terrible and drastic accident happened, people, right on the Bagua Gorge over there in St. Catherine, which caused traffic to pile up there for a while, my people. You understand? And in this accident, my people, 5 persons who were traveling in a car that collided with a truck, my people, have to rush to hospital in serious condition. But up until this time, my people, I haven't get any information of any of them. You know what I mean? Like drop out or anything like that. Only information I got, people, is that they were in serious condition. So what I'm going to showcase and show it you all now, my people, and it's something that is really sad and is really terrible, Zine, and to show you how some of them truck drivers are out there wicked and then cruel, because this truck managed to do a dirty overtaking pan that Bagua Gorge or something, people, and him couldn't find him way for 15 back himself, my people, and the car that was coming in the opposite direction, he managed to collide with the car, my people. And this is how these 5 occupants in this car sustained these serious injuries, my people. So what I'm going to do now, my viewers and subscribers, is share this with you, and then the attacking boss strap in. So just watch this, my people.
No. Watch that.
It's a hot man special.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, You see for that Chuck boy there, you see for that Chuck sin thing there, a straight attack for you. No joke about it. And you see for any truck driver, any truck boy, any truck thing, who are do them type of dirty driving, something upon the road, upon government road, upon the public road, listen what me a say, man. I attack for you know. On the need for respect motorists upon the road. On the need for go and better in account of this big old dirty thinking truck. Zine, on a run the big old dirty thinking truck on the know so on have so much cars upon the road like a small car. And them a car away a make nowadays people. Then come like plastic. Me I thought the soft plastic people as a squeeze, you just crush so. You understand? That's all the cars are making nowadays. And when you lick the car them with them a big old dirty Leland sitting on my people. What do you expect to happen to you people in the car? While una and I big old chuck up with the big old bed on the back. What you all expect to happen? Una need for go on better. I'm telling you already, a straight attack for you, Chucky. Zane, a straight attack. No joke, no leniency, no play with the attack. Because this is really cruel and this is really wicked. Just imagine how much injuries these persons suffer who was in that car. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. My people that speed at this truck bust the overtake with no people. Him can't fit in himself in no people and straight in the car. See? Them need for charge him and him need for go prison. Him need for go prison people for reckless driving, for attempted murder, for danger, for you want a charge to swing upon him. Him need to be a lesson. See, and the less way him need to get people, he need to go publicly. So other drivers who can't do them something people shall be aware and must be aware, you know what I mean, of the consequences they can face when they do something dirty like this on the road. Just think about it, people. It could be a bike. No, we imagine how that the bike man did a fly and pitch and gone way over so. And go to drop in at the hills them up there with the old train line them they show the hills and them out up there and the guard stop the people. You understand? Because the way out that it lick him and fling him and wheelie and dilly and dally him. But to tell the people, these truck drivers don't respect nobody. Look there. The car was coming in the opposite direction. My people, the car in him lane. Zine, he managed to bust overtake and this was caught on the dash cam people. And you can't hear the occupants of the car that the dash cam, you can't hear them sound people because like them seat is like them know so something gonna go wrong. And see the people, that's what he did. Managed to go collided with the car people. That local car, you know what I mean? Mash up the whole eye front. And them said the 5 occupants who was in the car, my people, sustained serious injury. So you know what serious injury might mean, my people. You know mean say them are go dead, you know. You know mean say life threatening people, but you never know. You maybe a year said that person there, maybe can't walk again, maybe a year said that spine they broke, maybe a year said that mash up, maybe a year, you never know, my people. You never know. Oh, this man can set back how much people life now. All because of him recklessness and him carelessness, you understand, and him dirty mindset, because him only for himself to think about himself alone on the road. Pan the bag walk gotcha, him know so much traffic a come on that dangerous piece of stretch, my people. When him want run go catch so, when they get a phone call, say man up on top of Wi-Fi or something, and him a run for go catch it. When him want run go catch so people, that's him do something so terrible like this. Me say anywhere the driver boy a straight attack for you. The attacking boss I tell her that anywhere you're there, if them have you in the cell, if them have your hospital, anywhere you're there, if you're there your yard, a straight attack, and you need to be dealt with. You need to be punished. Remember the attacking boss tell her that. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. It could have been me in a car, you know. It could have been you in a car, you know, people. So we have to talk. Zine, sure, Jaja. My people, big up on yourself, my people. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe, my people. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production, Attacking Boss, my people. And remember, my people, NEWLINK Back to School 3 2021, September the 26th, people. Please support the movement. You understand? For all contacts, check below in the description, my people, and just support the movement. Fully attack, my people. Peace, love, respect. Be good, be great, and be safe. Watch out for them on the road, people. Then terrible and them deadly. Peace out.